Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter in dress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Alright, to create this look, you're going to choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it black and combine it with this one. You're going to choose only bangs and then make it black. And then this earring. Just look like that, and then this top from the petal update, you're going to make it this color, okay, and combine it with this top. This is from the VIP room guys, and then you're going to apply a pattern. Wait, let me show you the pattern for this top. Okay, for the pattern, you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection, you're going to make it black. Okay, and then put on this shoes. For this shoes, you can get it from the VIP room. And you're going to color it with black and gold. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to the dressing room. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update. And we're going to put on this pants. Okay, apply black for the first selection, and for the second selection, apply this color. This is for the color code. And then for the third selection, I'm going to make it gold like this. And for the next selection, make it gold as well. Sorry, for the third selection, you're going to apply this color, and for the fourth selection as well. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this knife. Okay, and let's move to the VIP room, and we're going to put on this item, and then make it gold. You can apply this gold color. This is for the color code. For the next one, I'm going to apply the gold color as well. For the third selection, I'm going to make it black. Oops, sorry. For the third selection, make it this color. And for the last selection, make it black. And sorry guys, I'm going to go back to the dressing room and go to the Valentine's update. And we're going to put on this bracelet. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!